Hi Kuldeep, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm good too. Thank you for asking. So, can you tell us something about yourself?
Yes, sir. My name is Kuldeep Badra, and I'm from born and brought up from Gujarat, Jamnagar. And I had done my graduation in my home place college, BCA college, and I just got did 1 year of MC at Bangalore. After that, pandemic came, and like I had to drop off though. And currently now I'm doing some testing course at Ahmedabad. One institute is there, Unicode Institute. At that I'm doing, and my hobbies are like traveling and watching your videos and testing, interest in testing. So and yeah, that's all.
Okay. So, in your technical skill set, it is mentioned that you are using TestLink as a test management tool.
Yeah.
So, can you tell us more about TestLink? How do you write test cases in this tool?
So not much as don't not very well known as, but so like currently not remember this test link.
Okay, no issues. And what about API testing Postman?
Yeah. So
Yeah.
in API testing, we will test when we get a API from the developer side,
Mhm.
and which kind of API it is, like get, post, put, delete.
Mhm.
So we will check in the we will copy and paste in the Postman tool, and we will
Mhm.
see the what the response we are coming, and we will write that all the details in the test cases, like status code is there, response time is there, and that response size is there, what we are getting response is there, all we will mention in test case.
Mhm. What type of assertions you are keeping?
Sorry, sir, didn't get it.
Yeah. So let's say you are testing some API. So
Yeah.
you would be keeping some assertions to validate whether that API is working fine or not, right? So which are the various types of assertions that you are keeping?
Like the status code is there, and response what we are getting, like data is there. So if we will get like not for like us, if the API is successful, then we won't write that response, because if we we have thousands of API, and we will every time we'll write the success response. So the like Excel file will be lengthy. So when we write only for the API's response is failed. So that time only we write a response in the Excel file.
Is it possible for you to share your screen and showcase us how you have done the API testing using Postman tool?
Sure.
I'm giving you the sharing rights. You can share
Yes.
your screen. Okay, yeah, now you can share.
Okay. Mm, just a minute.
Once you click on the share screen, the green color option, you will get
Yeah.
an option of whiteboard, and along with that you will get an option of screen as well, which would be highlighted in a blue color. So just click on that.
Okay. Just a minute, sir. Like my screen is visible, sir.
Yes, yes, it is visible. Eclipse is visible. I am not able to see Postman.
Okay. Like okay.
Yeah, just open Postman and share your screen for Postman 2.
Sir, I did it in Excel file. So should I open it Excel file?
You have done,
Like yeah, when we get a project in the like a report task,
mm,
we did it in a Excel file.
mm,
Some of the for the practice purpose.
mm.
So
Okay, for now you can open the Excel file. But in a real-time interview, you will get questions from the resume itself. The very first question that
okay.
was related to test management to test link, right? So
Yeah.
So if they ask you, like, you have to explain what did you do in testing, how you will write the test cases. So you need to be thorough with that. If you are not thorough, then you can either get some information on that, you can revisit the concepts, or for the temporary purpose, you can remove that line from the CV. Same goes for
Okay.
Postman as well. So in Postman, when they ask you that you have to share your screen and showcase the Postman, so you can open the Postman and you can show them the collections that you have created, any sample
Okay.
API or any API that you have tested, what are the response codes, what are the assertions that you have used. Okay.
Yeah.
So for now, let
Just
us
a minute.
see.
I will.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will show it in Excel and Postman too, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's, so now Excel is visible, sir.
Excel is visible. Yes.
Yeah. So
Yes.
this is these are the APIs.
Hmm.
Like which method is it? Is, oh, sorry, sir.
Yeah. This is the get
Which
method.
method?
Hmm.
Yeah, get post method is there. So we will write like here API is there, and
Hmm.
what kind of like it's a body while post method, and if we are getting success in get method, so we will just write yes achieved, and here is the status code,
Hmm.
like
200.
what yeah, and it's a execution status, and here is the time response time, what time it takes to get
Hmm.
a response, and here is the size.
Okay. Great.
So
Now, yeah.
let
Now
me
let
say
us see the Postman.
yes.
So these are the test cases that you are showing for API
Yeah.
testing. Yeah.
Yes.
Now you can showcase us the Postman tool in which you have created some collection for testing these APIs.
Yes. Yes. Is my Postman visible?
Postman tool is not visible. Excel file is visible.
Okay. Just a minute. Postman is starting. Okay. Yes, sir. This
Yes.
Postman visible, sir?
Yes. Yes. Now it is visible.
Okay.
Hmm.
So, sir, here is a get, and I had to request it,
Hmm.
and we will paste here the API.
Yeah. So this is fine. Can you showcase me the APIs that you have already tested? No need to create any
Uh,
new API. Just show me the APIs that you have already tested in this.
so it's not like saved. I deleted this.
Okay. So
So
you can go
just
to file menu. Over there, you will get an option to open or import some collection. Yeah. Yeah. Just click on import.
um yeah, just it's just a deleted, so it
Okay.
won't be there, I guess.
Okay. Fine. Fine.
So
No.
here is the response, like here is a state for that I copied from the Excel file that API, and it's a get API get method for. So here is a status code is there, and like this is a response time. It's a size of the API, and here is this response body is there. So this much of we have to like write in the Excel file, or where we are like doing test cases for the APIs.
Can you go to authorization? I want to see authorization headers. What is the data entered over there?
Where is the authorization?
Above, besides parameters.
Okay, yeah,
Hmm,
sorry.
hmm. Yeah, now headers. Yeah, go to headers.
Okay. So it's
16.
just like it's just for the practice purpose API. There is
Okay.
an one website is there.
Hmm.
So they just provide like this request and response.in.
Hmm.
That's just for practice purposes. The APIs are there.
Hmm. Have you created any global or local variable
Yes, sir. In Java,
over here in Postman? Have you created any environment variable?
no, sir.
Fine. And can you go to delete API?
Yes. Sir, like delete is working,
Hmm.
but like they are not like actually deleting, because
Hmm.
if we do like this, so they won't get any data about like.
Correct, correct. Okay,
So
okay. Fine, fine. No worries. Um, okay. So can you tell me any test that you have used over here?
No,
Test.
sir. The Postman, sir, I like just to learn purpose. I learned. I didn't like till now. I didn't use this Postman. Just for practice purpose, I did this. Get post put till it. Not in a real life. I performed.
Okay. So can you go to that tab test? I'll show you something.
Okay.
Yeah. So over here in the test, you can see you have got the variables option in the snippets, right? You can create those variables. And as I was asking you in the previous interview question, you can save, you can validate whether the API is working fine or not with the help of assertions,
Okay.
right? Whether that particular value has been assigned to that. So one type of assertion is when you can verify, you can validate the status code, then whether the expected response is coming or not, right? Then in the variable you can assign, and then you can validate with some other variable. Okay, this two variables are matching, means our test results are pass. So this is how you can use assertions over here.
Okay. Sir.
Okay. Okay, now let's go to the Eclipse.
Yes.
Show me the
Eclipse
Eclipse.
visible.
Yes, yes, it is visible. Now I want you to write automation script using Selenium with Java for signing into the Gmail account. You can use a valid username for now and invalid password for now.
Okay.
Hmm.
Hmm. Sir, I'm just creating here only package.
Yeah, yeah. Or you can use the existing file. You can comment down the code. You can create, you can write this automation script in
Okay.
the
Sir.
same. Yeah.
Hmm. Yes, I'm done.
Okay.
Should
So
I run, sir?
yeah, you can run. Yeah, is it running the Gmail?
Yes, sir.
So can you share that screen as well? Yeah.
Sure. Okay, I got an error. Just a minute. Element not intersected. Okay.
Yeah,
Just
share
a minute.
at the time of sharing, share entire screen so we can see all the windows.
So how can I share entire?
Uh,
Like, okay, multiple window. Okay, sir.
yeah, yeah.
So my running screen is visible.
Yes, yes, it is visible now.
Okay, I'm getting an error in next button.
So what is the XPath that you have kept over there?
And this one is the expansion.
Okay. Can you show over there? Hmm.
It's not getting that export. Yeah, that export problem is there.
Mhm. So you can use text equal to next.
So is it correct or getting wrong?
Yeah. So I think it is correct, but still you can
Okay,
check
okay, okay.
once.
It's a span.
or you can just keep a wildcard character over here.
Yeah. It should be like this, no, for text, sir.
Yeah, can you yeah, just keep slash slash, and after that just keep asterisk sign, no wildcard character.
Here, here.
No, no, after slash slash.
Okay.
Before, yeah, instead of span. Yeah, just keep, yeah, yeah.
It's not visible, sir.
It's not visible.
No, sir.
Okay, now keep
I
span.
guess
Yeah, now
I
keep
guess
span.
it's like this one.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah, keep yeah, contains.
Still not there. At the rate content is there.
No, no, don't use at the rate. I'll give you the syntax. So just mention in the square bracket contains text and what text it is containing.
Contains bracket text.
Yeah,
This only right now, or it is wrong?
I'll give you the expert. Wait. Yeah, I have sent you in the chat box, and try using this.
Written got okay.
Yeah, now replace
No,
your text instead of zap right
okay.
next over there, and instead of H4 and A,
No, sir. Still, it's not there.
text is there, right?
Okay, I got it. Got it.
Got
Got
it.
it.
Yeah. Okay. So this is how you can identify the XPath.
Yeah.
Now let's move to the next question.
Sure.
So you can take care of this after this mock
Yeah.
interview. Okay.
Sure.
But now you have got an idea, right? How they will ask you in an
Yeah.
interview,
Yes, sir.
right? Now, can you write a Java program in your Eclipse and consider there is a string with your name as Kuldeep, and you have to find the number of characters in that string, right? So number of characters in the name Kuldeep will be 6, right? So that should be the output of this program.
So output should be 6, like.
Yes, yes, the number of characters. Then we will replace your first name with the last name. Sorry, then we will replace your first name with the automation, and then the output should change accordingly. Okay.
It's like this.
Yeah, perfect. Now replace the string with the automation.
I didn't get you, sir.
Yeah,
What kind of?
replace the string, the Kuldeep, with the automation. Now let us see.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Got
Program is working. Yeah. Yeah, just replace the string value instead of Kuldeep. Just mention automation over there. Now let us see what is the length.
Okay, it's still
Why it is
Kuldeep.
showing 6? Yeah.
I guess it's just a character. I guess so.
Mhm.
We can just mm,
Hmm? Perfect. Okay, fine. Now you can stop sharing your screen. Okay, now in your CV, you have also mentioned that you are well versed with mobile application testing. So can you tell me the high level test scenarios that you will be using for doing mobile testing?
so on what kind of application? Like in mobile application, what kind of
Yeah,
application?
yeah, any kind of application. Let's say if
Okay.
yeah, for example, consider it's a Facebook application in mobile. So how will you test that particular or
So
any generic application? How will you
yeah.
test? And what would be the test
So
scenario?
firstly, we will check this all the functionalities
Hmm,
which are in the application or anything,
hmm,
and after that we will list out all the functionalities, and then we will like that's all in the first step, and after that we will planning the test planning about like functionalities, and after that we will write the test scenarios about that, and like how to test mobile application like you are asking like this.
hmm. What would
So
be
we
the
will
test
write that.
scenarios? Yeah.
Okay, in the like we will take an example of Facebook. So firstly, we will write test scenarios about the login or registration, and then we will write about test scenarios about like home page is there. So how the home functionalities are working with like yeah, home functionality is working. All the functionalities already write about test scenarios, and then logout functionality is there. So we will write test scenarios about this on low, and that post is there, story is there. We will write test scenario all about that, and then yeah, chat message is there, or block is there, setting functionality is there, my profile, edit profile is there. So all that functionalities we will write test scenarios. Or like for login, we will write test scenarios about like some positive test scenarios is there, negative test scenario is there. That's all.
So see, whenever you get this question in a real-time interview, what they are expecting in the answer is, let's say you keep your mobile in the auto rotate mode. Then are you able to
Okay.
use that application? You keep your mobile in the portrait mode or in the simple normal mode. Are you able to use that application? Let's say you are typing something in your post on Facebook and you received a call. After that, again, when you return to the Facebook application, is that text still over there or you need to start from beginning, right? For example, you were having some chat in the messages in the Facebook Messenger, right? And you received a call or you received a message, or if is there any update coming up. So after that update, is the application working fine? Are all the functionalities working as per expected? So this is how you can answer when they ask you about test scenarios for with respect to mobile testing point of view, right? Okay. Okay, Kuldeep, it was nice talking to you. Yeah, all the best for your
Thank you,
career.
sir. Thank you, sir.
And
Sir,
yeah.
so how
Mhm.
was my interview about feedback? Like,
Yeah, so it was really good, right? But there are areas that you need to improve. Let's say if I tell you, if I give you an example of first question, like postman is there, right? So you have to open the postman and you have to showcase like what assertions you have used, right? Just
okay,
capturing an API with respect to the method won't help you in the practical world, right? Otherwise, what would happen? The developer will do some changes, but you won't be able to identify the bugs or defects in them. Let's say they changed some data type in the API from integer to string, right? If you would have kept such assertions in the API, so you would be able to catch such kind of defects, right? Otherwise, simple capturing the API and just running them won't help you, even if you use any of the two. Second aspect is coming to the Selenium, right? When you are using Selenium, so if you're not getting XPath, then always try to go for, let's say you try for one locator, ID name. If that is not working, go for XPath. If that is not working, go for CSS, right? But don't get stuck in while creating the automation script. And this is nothing. After creating the script, also they will ask you to optimize the script, right? How will you then they will ask you the cross question, like how will you make sure that this automation script has plan B as well, or how will you optimize the script, which is the other way to create or develop same particular automation script, right? So those questions will come to you, so you need to take care of all those things. Okay, okay then, thank you and all the best for your career.
Thank you, sir.